Welcome to Uptime.com and to our video on transaction check basics. The transaction check is a multi-step advanced check that monitors specific elements of a website. To filter your checks by check type and see all of your transaction checks in one place, click Filters, then Check Type and select Transaction. Click Apply to save your configuration. The Transaction Check Script Editor allows you to create scripts, mimic user actions, and monitor steps such as visiting a website, clicking a button, or entering information into a text field. This includes entire user paths, such as adding an item to a shopping cart or submitting a contact form. Now we're going to build a transaction check to monitor a login process on the Uptime.com website. Our first step will be go to URL to let our transaction check navigate to our website. Step 2 will use a validation to check for a HTTP status code of 200 to ensure the website is accessible. Our third step will be a wait for the element to exist command to ensure the next element we want has fully appeared on the web page. Step 4 will use the fill-in field command to enter our email address. We can use our browser's developer tools to select the ID for our form fields. This is a process that we can repeat to add the rest of the steps to our check. Using the fill-in field command again for step 5, we can enter our password into the password field. Please note, when building your transaction check, it is a good idea to use unprivileged test credentials where possible for security. Finally, for our last step, we will use the click with mouse command to click on the login button to submit our form. When the script is finished and all steps are added, click Run Test to check that the script is successful before saving and activating your check. When you are satisfied with your script, make sure you've selected the locations that your check should monitor. Add tags for organization, confirm your contact for alerting and notifications, and select your interval for continuous monitoring. The standard transaction check can be configured at intervals ranging from 5 to 60 minutes and runs each of your selected locations consecutively within your set interval, while the extended transaction checks range from 30 minutes to days. We also have a micro-transaction check that can run at a 1-minute interval for shorter check validations. This completes our coverage of transaction checks. For more information about the transaction check, check out the rest of our video library or reach out to us directly at support@uptime.com. Thanks for watching.